An Albuquerque dentist charged with felony medical insurance fraud and practicing on patients without a license is claiming he's innocent. Now he says he wants his chance to tell his side of the story. News 13's Jeannie Nguyen spoke with his attorneys. Jeannie.
Jackie, Dr. William Garner wants his charges dismissed, saying he has all the proof to show these allegations against him are bogus.
We have strong defenses. He's got strong arguments to make. He was never allowed to make those arguments because he wasn't given the required notice under state law.
Back in September, the Office of the Superintendent charged Dr. William Gardner for practicing without a license and sending bills to insurance companies for procedures he'd done to collect that money. Investigators say Gardner was not licensed between May and August 2018, but continued to practice out of his office near Paseo and Wyoming.
We filed a motion to dismiss this indictment on a technical, albeit very important, procedural ground.
Gardner's attorney filed this motion on Friday, claiming he never got proper notice of any investigation. On top of that, they say the notice from investigators made no sense.
This target letter, which was sent, was never delivered, said it was sent to a public defender that he didn't have. And although the grand jury was going to be convening on September 12th, and the date of the letter is August 16th, he was supposed to respond in April.
His attorneys say he would have had a good amount of evidence to prove his innocence had he had time to respond.
Enormous amounts of evidence that he never made a false claim. He obviously never got a penny, and that's conceded by the state.
But last month, the state's Regulation and Licensing Department revoked his license, forcing him to turn it in by the new year. We asked his attorneys about that.
We do not represent him in that proceeding. He's represented by other counsel, but we will say that we're not privy to those proceedings and what went on in those proceedings. They are completely separate from the criminal proceedings.
Garner plans to appeal the state's decision to revoke his license in the new year. He is still practicing in the meantime. Jackie, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Jeannie. Gardner also has to pay more than $4,000 in fines. He's expected to go to trial for this case next December.